Start. Sir, in spite of that, we had a lot of expectations from the budget, but it has disappointed us. Stop. Secondly, the 14th Finance Commission had recommended Andhra Pradesh share as rupees 24,000 crores, but the budget has made only a provision of rupees 22,000 crores for the award period. Stop. Secondly, state disaster relief fund grant has been reduced by rupees 100 crores. Local body grant has also been reduced by about rupees 1000 crores. Stop. If you calculate it, the budget has given an amount of rupees 3000 crores less than what has been recommended by the Finance Commission. Stop. So, I request the Honorable Minister to correct this imbalance. Stop. Para. There is no doubt that the Finance Commission has examined the financial situation of Andhra Pradesh. Stop. The Finance Commission has considered revenue deficit partially and has not addressed the massive developmental requirements of the residuary state, including new capital infrastructure development. Stop. But unfortunately, the Finance Commission has considered revenue deficit partially and has not addressed the massive developmental requirements of the residuary state, including new capital infrastructure development, incentives required for industrial development, and other major growth engines. Stop. I am not going into the details as we have already apprised the Honorable Finance Minister about this. Stop. But I only wish to make one point that even after the award period of the 14th Finance Commission, that is 2019-20, Andhra Pradesh is the only state apart from a few special category states that will be suffering from a revenue deficit of rupees 2000 crores. Stop. This one figure tells the whole story of Andhra Pradesh as to where it would stand after 5 years from now. Stop. Sir, this is precisely the reason why we have been pleading with the central government to give us the special category status. Stop. The government is saying that some states such as Bihar, Rajasthan, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, and Jharkhand are also demanding special category status. Stop. But, sir, after Finance Commission's recommendations, all these states will be revenue surplus and only Andhra Pradesh would be a revenue deficit state at the end of the award period. Stop. Sir, a special category status is given only to those states which are lagging behind and require help. Stop. In this case, since all the other states would become revenue surplus and only Andhra Pradesh will be revenue deficit, it is all the more justified in its demand for a special category status. Stop.